That's our spray 38, Robert spray 38, sitting here upside down. As you can see, raised aft deck on the back. We're putting in 3 portholes, 3 on each side. As we walk around the stern, got a scroll that I've sort of set up that'll eventually have the name when the boat's put up the right way. Traditional traditional ports in the back of the boat. Over the whole big steel box there that's got a 1.5 tons of lead stored in it, ready for the ballast. As we look up towards the keel, and I built that, tried to keep all the exits sort of fairly fine. It's a fairly slow moving boat anyway, so I didn't want to add to it moving even slower, so I kept them nice and fine as they come to the end. As we walk back around the other side, we've been doing some sanding just where the intermediate stringers have been welded up on the inside. Makes a little rough patch on the outside, just been sanding that down a bit. Take care of the rest of it with some paint, which is turned up the right way. And just back round to the front here, stainless steel piece welded on there for the bobsleigh line up to the bowsprit, and the second one there actually goes through the 10mm plate, and that's going to be the anchoring eye, so we anchor it just at the water level line. And just over here is the cradle. Got the cradle built, and that's where the cradle, the boat will get turned up the right way, put in the cradle once it's been sandblasted on the inside. Just back around, we did away with the anchor deck and just decided to continue the lines straight through, keeping very long sweeping lines on the boat. And on the rubbing straight here, which is a half round pipe welded on, we've put a small section of stainless, just stainless pipe split in half. So once that's finished welding that and polished that up, it'll give a nice nice little rubbing piece just to bump off wharfs, etc. What else? Just down here, we've working on today, just working on the 4 beams that we have. We're just making a shelter for the boat. So once I've got these all set upright on some concrete blocks, which are in the distance over there, these 4 will make the 4 corners, and then these long steel beams here will go between the 2, and then we have some tarps which we'll set up over the top, so that'll make a large shelter for the boat to actually be protected under while we slowly finish the inside. So there she is. That's our spray 38.